Americans consume an average amount of 200 pounds of meat every year, a number which has steadily risen since the 1970s, according to Brian Collar in July of 2008. Ladies and gentlemen, today I am going to discuss the environmental effects caused by the consumption of animals and how going vegan can help reverse those effects. First, I will examine the several amount of environmental issues caused by the consumption of these animals. Second, I will discuss the root causes of these issues. And third, I will explain how going vegan can help reverse these effects. According to Aristos Georgiou, September 20th, 2019, farmers clear-cut land to make way for agriculture, and then wait for dry season to ignite fires to clear the land so they can plant. And it's likely that all of these forest fires are deliberately set by humans. That being said, deforestation is definitely one of the largest environmental issues because of its adverse effects on climate change. Forest plants, trees, and soil are known for storing large amounts of carbon, and when these trees are cut, the carbon is released into the atmosphere in the form of CO2 and methane, two very potent and abundant greenhouse gases. Furthermore, livestock such as cow and cattle release more greenhouse gases into the atmosphere than transportation does, which should be shocking. According to Jim Motivali, July of 2008, the American meat industry produces more than 60 million tons of waste annually, 5 tons for every citizen in the US, and 130 times the volume of human waste. That is a lot of manure. Additionally, the amount of manure that is produced by these livestock animals impact global warming by releasing the amount of methane equivalent to 33 million cars. Now that you are aware of the few environmental issues that are happening, let me explain the root cause of these issues. Fire in the Amazon is used as a technique to clear land for agriculture, the biggest driver of deforestation in the Amazon, alongside of mining and land grabbing. This means that fire is a direct result of deforestation in order to make room for millions and millions of livestock animals every year. Moreover, according to Reed Mangel's June 2nd, 2007, livestock production was shown to have a serious effect on land degradation, air pollution, climate change, water shortage, and the loss of biodiversity. This is why knowing where your food comes from, how it is produced, and the effects it has on the planet is important. So having this information, why would you not want to adjust your diet? Additionally, as stated by the CNN news source, October 19th, 2018, cows emit the potent greenhouse gas methane during digestion, which makes cows and other ruminants such as sheep especially high emitting. Because livestock animals are fed an abundant amount of food and hormones to make them bigger, they release piles and piles of feces and farts into the atmosphere in the form of methane. Now that you know more about the foundation of these issues, let me clarify how going vegan can help solve some of these problems. Not only does the environment and animals benefit from going vegan, but so does your mental and physical health. According to the U.S. News and World Report, January 24th, 2019, the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that people who adhere to a climate-friendly diet, one that has a lower carbon footprint, eat healthier than those who don't overall. Furthermore, as stated by the Economist Journal, November 15th of 2019, a person who guzzles an additional 50 grams of processed red meat per day has a 41% higher chance of dying in a given year. This is because of the several additives, chemical preservatives, and uncuring that occurs while processing these meats, and it links to not only cancer, but heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and obesity. Lastly, according to the New York Times, February 19th, 2019, filling your plates with lots of fruits, vegetables, grains, and beans helps reduce your overall carbon footprint and a healthier digestive system as well. Today, we gained a deeper insight on various environmental issues connected with eating animal products, and choosing a vegan lifestyle can help the environment greatly. First, I examined a few problems that the environment has been facing. Then I discussed the root causes of these issues. And finally, I explained how going vegan can help change these issues. So ladies and gentlemen, for the sakes of our deteriorating environment, your personal health, and the animals that are constantly suffering, I ask you to open your eyes, further investigate and educate, and make the courageous decision to go green.